So, hello dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. So, this is a general love reading till end of April, and we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. Okay. So, right now your partner's energy is the moon. I think there is something that is hidden from you, Aries. Your partner is hiding something from you, or they are living in some kind of subconscious fear that everything is not going fine, and there's something that is lingering over their head, or there's something that is they are fearing for. Okay, they are very fearful, and right now they are not in this happy zone. Right now they are in this fearful zone that things are not turning according to them. Okay, so right now your partner is in very fearful zone, Aries, to be very honest. And what they feel about you, how they see you. They see you as a four of wands. They see you as somebody who is a party person or a party animal, or a person who is very happy-go-lucky or charming, or a person who is kind of marriage material, or a person who is kind of a commitment material. So right now your partner is in fearful zone. They are having some kind of fear, but they see you as a person whom they can spend their whole life with, whom they feel like this is a person who is very creative, who is very beautiful, and having a stable energy towards you. Okay, what they feel about this relationship is the Empress. So Aries, I feel like your partner feels like yes, you are the right person for them, and you could be the mother of their child or the father of their child, or this relationship is in a very creative and fertile mode right now, and this relationship is something that can turn into a beautiful journey, a beautiful family, a beautiful committed long-term partnership. So right now I feel, Aries, your partner is in very beautiful energy towards you. They carry a lot of respect towards you, they carry a lot of passion towards you, they carry a lot of love towards you. What they want from this relationship, this is a Three of Pentacles. I feel like there are two interpretations of this card. I'll tell you both the stories. For I feel like most of the part is like they want to put in the energy, they want to put in the effort. This is the teamwork card, so I feel like your partner is ready to put in the effort and put in the work for this relationship to work out. I think this relationship was not working out in the maybe recent past, and now they are ready to put in the effort. And the second interpretation is, I feel like because there are lots of three party card here, so I feel like this person feels like there is a third party situation in this relationship, and they want to remove that situation for good, and they want to be with you forever. This is the feeling I am getting, this is the vibes I'm getting, Aries, for this particular relationship right now with this particular person whosoever is on your mind right now. And your partner is feeling, your partner is ready to put in the effort now, and if there is a third party situation from their side, they are ready to leave that, and they are ready to come back towards you. Okay, the outcome from their side is the Seven of Swords. See, their feeling is the moon, their energy is the moon, and the outcome is the Seven of Swords. There is something hidden from your ears. There is something that is not shown to you in the true light, and there's something that will be revealed soon to you. I feel like there will be a third party situation that will come to light. That the secret will come out finally. So basically, I feel like the outcome of this relationship, the outcome till the end of April, is not what you are going to make in your mind. It is something very difficult to deal with, but eventually it will make you happy, and it will make you take the charge of your own life. Okay, so the outcome from their side is the Seven of Swords. So there is something that will come out in light, and this is the clarified. The Seven of Swords is clarified by the Page of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. This is the beginning. Page of Swords is spying on somebody. Somebody is heavily spying on you, Aries, whether electronically or whether physically. I don't know, you have to take care of the thing that somebody is spying on you, and there's watching your every move, they're watching your actions, and then there's somebody who's walking away. I feel like you walked away from the situation, or they walked away from you, Aries, in the past, in the recent past, but now they're ready to offer you something good. So there's this situation, this this Seven of Swords, the card of deception, the card of hiding something, the card of revealing the truth, is clarified by all these three cards. So somebody is spying on you, somebody walked away in the past, and now they are ready to offer you something. So it could also be the thing that you walked away in the past, or you could be the third, you could be in a third party situation, and now I feel like they are ready to move out from the third party, and they are ready to give you some kind of commitment offer or some kind of friendship offer, you can also say. I can't see the marriage proposal or commitment of that type right now, but yes, they are ready to leave the third party, I feel like that, and now they are coming towards you, walking away from the third party. Okay, your energy, three of wands. So Aries, your energy is like three of wands. You are waiting on that person very on this particular person very eagerly. You are turning your back from as of now you are turning your back from this relationship or this person, or in the recent past you guys had a breakup or something. So right now I feel like you turn your back to this particular person, and you feel like this person is kind of uh, hurtful. Okay, they create a lot of heartache, they create a lot of emotional loss and grief, and they are not kind of in a happy zone right now. So you feel like turning your back towards this particular person will eventually show you the true colors of this person, show you the true nature of this person. And to be very honest, you did the right thing, because I feel like there's heavy third party situation in this relationship. Three of Pentacles is there, Three of Wands is there, Three of Swords is there, the Devil is there. My God, lots of three party. The indication of lots of three party situation in this relationship is going on right now. Heavy three party situation, Aries, I can tell you. So right now, your energies, you are turning your back, and you feel like your partner. You feel what you feel about towards your partner is the Three of Swords. You are feeling the loss, the heartache. You are feeling like your partner is right now in this zone of grieving, or maybe they are crying over you. Now they are realizing your true worth. Okay, what you feel about this relationship is the Judgment card. You want to give this relationship a second chance. You feel like this relationship, whatever the mess happened in the past, this relationship deserve a second chance, and that is what you are feeling right now about this particular relationship with this person. What you want from this relationship, this is the Two of Swords energy. You want to come out of this confusing zone. You are in confusion, Aries. You feel like you are not able to make any kind of decision regarding this person. You are in confusion, what to do, which way to go, which is the right thing to do. So right now you are closed off. Okay, right now you are not taking any kind of initiative. Maybe you have turned back to this person. You have turned your back on this particular person. Now you are closed off as well. You want to come out of this closed off situation, this confusing phase. The outcome from your side is Four of Swords. So it is like you are going through a heartache. This is Three of Swords. Three of Swords is heartache, and this is beneath this is a one sword as well. This is Ace of Swords. So you are ready for a beginning. Maybe you are ready for a new life, brand new life without this particular person. But right now you are closed off to everything, and right now you are just waiting. You are just analyzing. Okay. Four of Swords is clarified by the Devil, Queen of Swords, and Queen of Pentacles. I can definitely tell you, Aries, this is heavy third party situation. Two queens means two people involved, and this is the three of this is Devil card. So this is kind of obsessed energy. This is kind of tricky energy. This is kind of what should I say? Three party situation and toxic energy. This relationship is basically, I feel like, going through a lot of toxicity right now, and this relationship is not working out in a healthy manner. So I feel like the roles could also be reversed. So if your partner is not in a third party situation, you could be in a third party situation. You are dealing with somebody else as well in the meantime. The bottom of the deck is the Strength card. The Strength card is, can you see that? So I feel like you guys are holding back, or one of you is holding back very heavily. You are not ready to give this person another chance maybe, and that is why you're doing like this. Although deep down you feel like you should give this person a chance, a second chance, but I don't feel like you are giving this second chance to this person anytime soon. From May onwards, I feel like there will be improvement in this relationship, but right now there's lots of pain and agony and misunderstandings maybe going on, and this is heavy third party situation, either from your side or from their side. But whatever the situation is, your partner wants to give you offer you something beautiful. they are walking away from a particular situation, and they are now ready to maybe move towards you and start this relationship all over again. Let's pull 3 cards from the love oracle deck. Yes, Aries, this is heavy energy. Okay. The past energy was attraction, flirting, dating, hooking up, seduction. I feel like this person was very heavily attracted to you physically. This is the past energy, seduction. So let's see your current energy with this particular person. Third party interference as well. I told you. Stabbed in the back. Right now, yes, right now your energy is heartbreak, pain, separation. This is your energy right now, Aries. Okay. And the outcome, let's quickly pull another card for you guys. You feel like tied down with this particular person, or you are in a very heavy confusing state of mind, Aries. Photograph. So the future energy till the end of April is photograph, looking at your photos, missing your nostalgia. Okay, this is what is going to happen. Okay, so whether they are in the third party situation or you are in the third party situation, Aries, whatever the case is, I feel like things will improve by the end of April. You will get some insight about this particular person. So yeah, this is a very heavy and intense reading for Aries. I hope it will help you out to come out to some kind of conclusion and clear the air with your partner. So thank you so much for listening, Aries. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me know in the comment section below what you are going through. So thank you so much. Namaste.